In this video, I will show you how to change the Ethereum Mainnet to the Binance Smart Chain on Metamask. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up and make sure you've got Google Chrome. And if you don't have it already, what you want to do is get the Metamask extension. To get this, just come across to metamask.io. And from here, what you're going to want to do is click download at the top. And then what you want to do is click install Metamask for Chrome. So you have got some other browsers as well if you prefer to use like Firefox or Microsoft Edge. And once that's installed for the purpose of Google Chrome, what you're going to want to do is come up to the extensions button, which is up here in the top right hand corner. Looks like a little bit jigsaw puzzle piece, and give that a click. And you'll see we've now got the Metamask extension installed. So what you want to do is click onto this. And we can now see our wallet here. So what we're going to try and do is first of all transfer Ethereum into BNB. And to do this, what you're normally going to want to do is come and click onto swap down here. So you would go ahead and put the amount you want to transfer across and swap to. And in the drop down box down here, you would choose the coin that you want to swap that to. However, if we go ahead and look for BNB, Binance, you can see it's not actually on here. So what you want to do first is actually cancel this. So if you just click onto cancel up here, and that's going to take you back to the home page for this extension. Then at the very top, you're going to see where it says Ethereum Mainnet. If you click onto this, it's going to bring up a drop-down box. So what you want to do from here is click onto Add Network. So you can see it's currently set to Ethereum Mainnet. So we're going to click onto Add Network. And what you can do is either add the network manually, or if you look here, it's normally, because it's quite a popular one, you'll see it's down here, BNB Smart Chain. If you don't see it here, just click onto Add a Network manually. And what you're going to do is have to enter some details. So to find the details to add the smart chain, what you're going to want to do is come across to academy.binance.com, and in the search box at the top, what you want to do is just type this, connecting Metamask to BNB smart chain. So just type that into here, hit enter, and what you're going to want to do is just, you'll see the article here. So what you want to do is click onto the article, and then you can just scroll down until you get to the section about configuring the wallet. And what you want to do is just scroll down a little bit further, and you're going to have all the information here. So you want to use the top one, mainnet, and what you want to do is just enter these details in. So for example, network name, smart chain, you want to copy this, come back to this screen and enter that into here. And you would just go through, so new RPC URL. So you would again copy this, come back to here, copy that into the corresponding box. Once you've entered all the information, just go ahead and click the blue save button underneath. And you'll see it says network added successfully. And what you can do is switch to smart chain straight away. Just click the blue button here, and then click got it. And you'll see that's now set up ready to go. So now if I come back and I open up my MetaMask extension, and you'll see at the very top now we have smart chain selected. So you can come here and you can choose between the two, either Ethereum or smart chain. And you see we now have BNB. So now if we go and swap, you will see we can now swap from BNB here, Binance coin, to Ethereum, which is down here. And of course you can swap it the other way to, of course, go from Ethereum to BNB as well. So once you've done that, again, you would just put the amount of coin that you want to swap across, click onto the review swap, and go ahead and swap as per normal. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.